Apple just released iOS 26.4.2, and while it looks like a small update, it actually fixes a serious privacy issue you should not ignore. There was a bug where deleted notifications could still be stored on your device. Yes, even after you cleared them. This means sensitive info from apps like messages or private chats could still be accessible behind the scenes. Reports suggest this issue could allow data extraction from the notification database. In simple terms, your deleted notifications were not fully deleted. Apple patched this by improving how notification data is handled and protected. Now, when you delete notifications, they are actually gone. Update details: it is version iOS 26.4.2. No new features. Focused entirely on security fixes and available for iPhone 11 and newer. Should you update? Absolutely yes. Even if you don't care about features, this is about your privacy. Go to the settings, general, then software update, and install it. Small update, big impact. And if you want more iPhone tips, hidden features, and updates explained simply, make sure you subscribe to Tech Tip Tabs.